don't comment. I start all of my giveaway videos like this because I don't want you to get disqualified literally the second the video starts. Yes, I don't want you to comment something that'll get you disqualified. This is a giveaway. I'm giving away a gaming PC, as you can kind of see by all the gaming PC parts laid out in front of me. But, like most giveaways, mine have rules. And, I'm going to explain those rules in this video so that you can enter this giveaway quickly and easily and get yourself a chance of winning a free gaming PC. So sit back, relax, and watch this whole video to learn how to enter my gaming PC giveaway. Now, if you don't have time to watch this entire video, it's roughly around 20 minutes usually. I don't know how much it is because I'm currently recording it. If you don't have time to watch this video, I suggest you either A, pause the video, leave it on and come back when you have time to watch the video, or B, go ahead and leave if you don't have time to watch the video at all, because I don't have time to give you a gaming PC if you don't have time to watch one video to learn how to enter properly so that I can actually afford to give you a free computer. For everyone who stayed, thank you for staying and welcome to my gaming PC giveaway. If you don't know, for the most part, I give away one computer every single month. Every month I give away a computer. How? Well, I pay for it using my Twitch and YouTube revenues. Now, last month, I did take a break in the month of October because of a mess-up that happened with the previous month's giveaway. So, I took that month off to kind of reset and get the giveaways fixed because they got really messed up. And I fixed my system a little bit and have been able to come back and will be resuming that giveaway. So, if you're from that giveaway, just know that the entries are staying counted and that we will be resuming the giveaway from that month. I showed this in the last giveaway video, but I'm going to show it again for anyone who's new here. Boom. That's my Twitch and YouTube revenue that's paying for this month's giveaway. I use that revenue to pay for a couple of things. One, the PC parts in front of you that I'm giving away. Two, to pay people to help me count all the entries that are put in my Discord server, my Twitch chat, and my YouTube comment section. And three, to buy myself food. For the most part, I enjoy eating food, so that's where actually a good amount of it goes. But that's not the point. So, that is where the revenue comes from, and that is the revenue that's paying for this month's giveaway. So, let's talk about how to enter and how not to get disqualified. Because yes, I do disqualifications because as I am doing giveaways, and as you saw by my revenue, I do have to have these rules very specifically to make sure that I can actually make money off of these to keep doing them. Now, I'm going to say this right now. The prize of this giveaway is obviously a gaming PC. But if for some reason your country has import restrictions or shipping costs are just outrageously high, I'd say, $300 plus is kind of outrageously high for a PC shipping, or something like that. Due to the current situation in the world, as you know, some countries have import restrictions and stuff like that. Don't worry, if your country does, we will cross that bridge when we get over to it, because the second prize, as in if you can't or don't want the PC even, you can just take $500 in gift card form of any kind you want. It could be, PayPal or just Amazon gift card, whatever you want. I will just buy a $500 gift card for you and just send the code to you. But besides that, if I can ship the PC, I will. Disclaimer, I will be shipping it in parts. That is the easiest for me and the cheapest. It is way too expensive to ship it as a whole thing, and it'll probably arrive broken if I were to ship it as a completed build, and I don't trust shipping services to keep it safe, so that's why I will be shipping it in parts. So my rules have been fine-tuned throughout the months to continually increase my revenue as much as they can without making them too hard or unfair. So, to start off, I use an entry-based system, meaning that while the giveaway is completely random, meaning that no amount of begging, complaining, bitching, or moaning will make me pity you and give you a computer for free, you can actually get yourself a better chance of winning by following some rules. You can get extra entries in this giveaway. So, to get your baseline one entry, you're entered, period. First of all, you must be subscribed, done. But to get your entry for being subscribed, you must comment on this video. But if you comment a sob story, a complaint, if you comment asking me for a free computer in any way, or complaining about your current setup, I will not enter you. If you comment the word entry or the word done, I will not enter you either. Because those are the most common thing people do when they just click on a giveaway video, scroll down to the comment section, type something, and leave. And if you can't see why I try to avoid that, then you obviously don't understand how YouTube revenue works. Yes, sadly, the longer people watch the video, the more you make, and, well, realistically speaking, the more ads they watch. You'll notice on the timeline, well, maybe you do, that the timeline of this video is loaded with ads. Yes, I put a ton of ad breaks in this video. For that very reason, is that ad revenue is paying for these giveaways. So, here's the thing. Do me a favor. I'm not asking you to turn off your ad block and watch every single ad. That'd be ludicrous. If you could maybe watch one ad, interact with one ad, I'd be happy. Because if everyone does that, maybe 15,000 views. So if you could watch one ad, and specifically speaking, if you could watch one ad for 30 seconds or more, that would be perfect, because that actually makes the ad view count. And that's all I need. That's all I need from you. That's all I'm asking in return for a chance to win this giveaway. Now, obviously, I can't check if you watched the ads. I'm not going to pretend I can. And I can't even check if you liked this video. But we'll get to that in a minute. So, if you want to just turn off your ad blocker, watch a singular ad, interact with one sidebar ad, whatever you want to do, that helps me out so much, and I would appreciate that, and that helps me pay for this giveaway. If not, if you could just watch this video, obviously, you kind of have to learn how to enter. Now, that's your one entry. But you can basically quadruple that entry by doing some simple things. First things first, I'm going to say this right now. Almost all entries except for the baseline comment are handled through Discord and Twitch, mainly Discord. In the description below, you will find a link to my Discord server. Go ahead and join that Discord, and here's what you want to do. There will be a chat in that Discord titled Entry Chat. You can't miss it. I'm pretty sure there is a welcome box that even directs you to put entries in that chat. Here's what you do. If you want more entries, you can do a couple of things. First of all, you'll find other links in the description. My Twitter, my Twitch, and my Discord are the main links in the description below. Here's what you do. If you follow my Twitch or you follow my Twitter and you join my Discord, each one of those is worth an entry. How do you get those entries? You take a screenshot of you doing that. So a screenshot of you followed on Twitch or a screenshot of you followed on Twitter, and you put that in my Discord server's entry chat, and those will be counted by the people who I pay on my Discord server to count those. If you've already done this in the past, those are permanent entries. You do not have to do them again. They will not be counted again. And as for Discord, you don't have to take a screenshot of you joining Discord. We can clearly see you're in the Discord if you're typing in the entry chat. And that's about it. So that's, 4 or 5 entries already. But what if I said you could get 300 pretty dang easily that would last for all of my future giveaways? If you want 300 entries for my future giveaways right away, right off the bat, here's the deal. I offer, if you put a screenshot of you liking any one of my past YouTube videos. You screenshot you hitting the like button, that's it. Of any one of my past YouTube videos. And you post that screenshot in Discord, in the entry chat, you will get 1 entry. Do that for all the videos, you'll get 300. Because there's approximately 300 videos, and to make it easier for the entry counters on Discord, they basically round up whenever they can to make it easier to just add it into the spreadsheets for the entries. Now, my recommendation for this is if you want to do it easily, go ahead, like the videos, then go to your liked videos playlist and just screenshot it a couple times, and you'll have all the videos liked, and those are permanent entries. Those entries will stay because it's not because I'm just super nice. The reason those entries are staying is solely because it would be super hard and stupid to count those entries every single giveaway. So they just stay permanently. So you'll be entered every time. They are just permanent entries. Every time you like a video, you get one. And that brings me to the new rule this month. Every month I try to add a new rule that benefits me in some way. And this month is a little special because I'm super excited for some of the videos I have this month. And I've decided to do this. If you like any video this month, in the month of November, any video that's released, including this one in November, and you like it and you put that in Discord entry chat, that is worth 5 entries as opposed to 1. So, depending on how much I upload, you can get a good amount of entries just by liking the videos this month. The reason I'm doing that, the honest reason that I do that I say, hey, like these videos, is to boost engagement on my channel, is to get my other videos views, because that's the point of doing a giveaway, is to bring attention to a channel. Duh. Full honesty. I do it for money, because I want to make money, and I do it for views because I want views. Period. I'm not just a super nice philanthropist person. No, I seriously just want money and views. So if I can give away a computer, and yeah, somebody gets a free computer, and in exchange I get money and views, That's a win-win, and I'm happy with that. So those are the rules for that. Those are the rules for liked videos. Now let's move on to the final thing, twitch.tv/DinkyTheSync. You'll find a link to that in the description below. Now, Twitch is probably the most interesting of my giveaway methods because as you may have noticed from the revenue I showed, yeah, Twitch revenue is relatively higher than the YouTube revenue, and that's for a good reason. Twitch allows me to make money in many different ways, and in exchange, I allow people to get entries on Twitch in a lot of different ways. Starting off with this, following on Twitch, easy. But I will be making a schedule, and I'll be posting it in my YouTube community tab as quick as I can for my Twitch live streams. Because not only do I live stream, drawing the winner on the 30th of every month so that you can actually see who wins live on stream, and I announce the winner live on stream. I also live stream frequently throughout the month for the purpose of, first of all, I kind of like live streaming, it's pretty fun. Second of all, interacting with you guys and the people in my community. And third of all, to make money. So my recommendation is if you want to catch my live streams, turn on notifications, and also, in my live streams, viewing the live streams themselves does actually count for entries, because in the Twitch chat, we do have a Twitch API integration that allows us to not really do it super specifically. It's not very advanced. Basically, every 10 minutes, every single person watching is given an entry or X amount of entries, depending on what we set it to. It's usually 2 every 10 minutes of stream time. No, it is not 2 every 10 minutes. You're watching the stream. That would be almost impossible to make. I believe there might be some kind of points integrations we could do, but just to make it simple, all it does is every 10 minutes, the viewer list is copied, pasted into a document, X amount of times, done. That's how the entries work. Every 10 minutes, you get X amount of entries. On Twitch, it's between 1 and 10 usually, depending on what we set it to on the day. Sometimes I'll make a YouTube video announcing it, but usually the best way to learn is either through Discord or Twitch notifications when I go live. Also, if you happen to have Twitch Prime or happen to have Amazon Prime, side note, if you have Amazon Prime, you can link it to Twitch and get free Twitch Prime. And you can actually sub to a channel for free. Subbing on Twitch with Twitch Prime is entirely free, or you could also sub, but it does cost money. I don't really recommend it, but subbing with Twitch Prime, and if you sub with Twitch Prime to my Twitch channel, you get 100 extra entries. That's it. Just 100 extra entries just for subbing with Twitch Prime. So if you happen to have Twitch Prime and you sub with Twitch Prime, you get extra entries. There's also a couple of other methods on Twitch, but that through like bits and stuff like that. But that will be entirely through twitch.tv. So if you catch one of my live streams, it'll be appearing in chat. All the rules to get entries through Twitch. Like I said, Twitch is my big money maker. That's what makes most of the money that pays for these giveaways. So if you want to support the giveaways, show up to Twitch. You also get free entries for showing up to my Twitch streams. Like I said, all this, that's why I allow people to get entries for like subbing and stuff. You are directly supporting the giveaways by doing that. But in the end, the best method is liking the YouTube videos. That gives you the most permanent entries done. Hey guys, what's up? Editor here. So, one thing I forgot to mention in the video is that if you like and retweet any one of my tweets, starting from today till the end of the month, any one of my tweets that I tweet on Twitter, if you like and retweet it, I will give you an extra entry for that. You must like and retweet, though, not retweet. You must like and retweet for the extra entry. The reason I have that rule is because I use Twitter to reach out to brands. It works out really well. I've gotten a lot of review samples and free products from reaching out to brands and partnerships, actually, from reaching out to brands on Twitter. So that's actually what I do. So if you want to help me out, that's the best way to do it. Well, another good way to do it. I've said everything's the best way to do it. You know what I mean? But basically, like and retweet anything I tweet on Twitter, especially if it's reaching out to a brand. You get an extra entry, and also it helps me try to get free stuff. Maybe I can hopefully get some free parts for next month's giveaway because it's Christmas, and that'll be awesome. That's the point. Back to the video. So that's another way to get entries. Alright guys, finally, one last rule, and this is kind of an extra rule that I've got to add. Well, it's two things. First of all, when liking my videos, if you happen to comment on the video something related to the topic of the video, so if you mention the giveaway on a video that's not about a giveaway, I won't count your entries, because that's just annoying. I don't want to see 1,000 giveaway comments on videos that have nothing to do with the giveaway. There are giveaway videos for that, so comment about the giveaway on the giveaway videos. Duh. You also get an extra entry if you want to do that as well. That's just saying. But finally, here's something, and this guy does not know I'm doing this in this video, and I don't think he'll realize until his subscriber count goes up, hopefully. In the description below, you'll find a link to my friend's YouTube channel. His name is Heathen Jeff. He also has a Twitch channel, but his YouTube, he just recently started doing YouTube videos, and he puts a ton of effort into his videos. He's an awesome guy, a great friend, and I hope to, we're going to do a little bit of collabing sometime this month once we figure out what we're going to do. But he puts so much effort. He's such a great editor and everything. So if you guys click the link in the description below to Heathen Jeff, you'll see it in the link description below. It'll be under Heathen Jeff. That's his YouTube name. And you subscribe to his channel, and you leave a comment on his most recent video that I sent you there, I will go into his video, and I'll be going through and picking out comments, obviously, and going through his video once a day, getting newest comments first. If you say that, you know, Dingy This Thing sent me here, or Dingy This Thing sent me here, don't mention the giveaway, just tell him I sent you there. I will give you 20 extra entries. So if you want to do that, 20 extra entries, all you gotta do is just make sure you sub to his channel, go to his most recent video, tell him that I sent you. He is a awesome guy, amazing guy. He doesn't know I'm doing this for him. It's gonna be a super secret surprise. So if you go to that, go to his recent video, say Dingy This Thing sent me here, leave a like, subscribe. That'll be awesome. I'll give you 20 extra entries. So link in the description below, the Heathen Jeff's channel. Please do that. It's gonna be awesome, awesome surprise. So the specs of this PC are, well, varied. So, as you can see, I have a good amount of parts in front of me, and a good amount of, duplicate parts, I should say. And that's for a good reason. So, the winner of this giveaway actually has options. If you win this giveaway, you have choices you can make for the PC build that you will be receiving. First of all, 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4 3200 megahertz, good RAM, simple, easy. 16 gigs is plenty. Great. So that's the only thing, and an SSD with Windows pre-installed. Those are the only two things that aren't chosen. Those are the only two things that aren't chosen because those are just, basic things that every PC should have. 16 gigs of RAM and an SSD with Windows. That's what comes with the PC right away. So I'll put that there. But as for the parts in the build, you have some options. So you can choose between 3 CPUs. We have a Ryzen 3 3300X, a Ryzen 5 3600, and a Intel Core i3 8350K. Those are the 3 options you can pick between. Yes, this box actually has an Intel motherboard in it, not a AMD one, because I couldn't find the box for the Intel motherboard in time. So that has a B360M board, which can be used for the 8350K, if you so pick it. I wouldn't expect anyone to pick it. I think the Ryzen CPUs are better. Now, you're probably wondering, oh, 3600 and 3300X, that's an easy choice. Well, here's the catch. If you pick the Ryzen 5 3600, that's fine. You get a Ryzen 5 3600, a B450M-A Asus Prime motherboard, great board with a BIOS update, and you get the stock cooler that comes with it. Thermal paste pre-applied, that's it. Yes, I know, pretty basic, but it comes with it. I'm not going to spend the extra money. But if you want the 3300X instead, which is a better gaming CPU anyways, you have a choice of either liquid cooling with a Kraken M22 I happen to have extra, or air cooling with a Hyper 212 RGB from Cooler Master that you get to pick between. So, roughly the same value as the 3600, you just get to choose, better cooling or not. So you can either go to 3600 or 3300X. Those are your choices, and then the cooling that goes with them. Now for graphics cards, there are 2 choices, an RX 590 and a 1660 Super. And I know people are going to be like, oh, those are just empty boxes. Yeah, no, they're not. These are, if I can get it out. These are definitely not empty boxes. Yeah, pretty simple. I don't have the boxes for the CPUs right now, so I will be just, obviously having them like this. This is fine. So, those are the options we build. So, SSD, 16 gigs of RAM. You pick between 3 CPUs, and of course if you pick the 8350K you can also pick between air or liquid cooling, but again, that's just to have an Intel option there. Some people really like Intel or really want an Intel CPU. I don't really recommend the 8350K, but if someone picks it, it's theirs. If not, 3300X, Ryzen 5 3600, and what goes with it, that's well. And then of course the motherboards are all the same, B450M-A for the Ryzen motherboards, because it's just a good board, all-around great board with the BIOS update, everything like that. SSD, 16 gigs of RAM, period. So those are the specs of the PC. If I haven't mentioned it, which I'm pretty sure I have, the giveaway ends on the 30th of November. I will be scheduling a live stream to announce the winner live on Twitch, and that's the point. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed. Good luck on this giveaway. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.